What if you could wake up every morning to a peaceful lake view while still being close enough to enjoy everything Tampa has to offer? Well, I'm taking you inside a completely remodeled lakefront home in Lutz, Florida. But this isn't just a home tour. I'm also going to share a little of the history behind the Lake St. Clair and explain why this area is so special. Well, welcome to this home at East Lake Borough Drive. Hello everyone, and my name is Luciana Rivera with Avenue Homes. This is a one-story home that offers 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and a flexible den. It is 2,227 square feet of living space. It sits on approximately 1/3 of an acre and has no HOA, and it offers access to the Lake St. Clair. Well, let's go inside and take a look at it. As soon as you enter, you can see how open and spacious this home feels. The high ceiling, skylights, and open floor plans allow plenty of natural light to flow throughout the home. The entire home has been remodeled, so you get the charm of established lakefront property with a fresh, modern interior. Well, let's move into the kitchen. This space was designed to feel open and connected to the rest of the home. Whether you're preparing dinner, entertaining with friends, or spending time with families, you don't have to feel separated from everyone else. Now, in the kitchen includes the oven, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, and you can't forget the coffee bar area. With the update finish and the open layout, it feels clean, bright, and ready for its new owner. Now, in addition to the 3 bedrooms, you also have this flexible den. You could use it as a home office, a playroom, a reading room, a workspace, or even an additional guest area. And that flexibility is especially valuable today because buyers are looking for homes that can adapt to their lifestyle. The home has a split bedroom floor plan, giving the primary bedroom a little more separation and privacy from the other bedrooms. And the secondary bedroom can be used for a family, guests, or even another office if needed. Now let's take a look at the primary suite. There is plenty of room to create a peaceful retreat along with a walk-in closet. And I mean walk-in closet. Then you have what I call it, the Jack and Jill bathroom. This bathroom goes for the master suite, but it also is used as a guest bathroom as well. I want to go to the outside and give you a little bit of story about this area. So here's a little history behind this area. This used to be all orange groves, and it was owned by an Italian family that used to also own the university restaurant. And what they did, they dug all the dirt out of the area, and they took that dirt and actually sold for them to build the I-275, which I think that was really cool. By them digging so much, there was a spring and it just came out, and so they made that into a lake area. So I thought that was really interesting. And that's how it became Lake St. Clair. And that's what makes this neighborhood so different. You aren't moving into a community where every house looks the same. You're becoming part of an established area with mature trees, unique homes, and the lake that has helped shape the identity of the neighborhood. It feels private, tucked away, yet you're still close to the city. Imagine starting your morning out here with a cup of coffee, watching the water and listening to the sounds of nature. Even though the home feels quiet and private, you have the convenient access to the I-275. That makes it easier to travel into Tampa for work, dining, entertainment, or a night out while still coming home to a completely different atmosphere. You get the space and peaceful feeling of Lutz without feeling disconnected from everything happening around Tampa Bay. So what did you think? Again, this home has 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a flexible den, 2,227 square feet, a remodeled interior, no HOA, access to Lake St. Clair, and a setting that becomes harder and harder to find around the Tampa Bay. So if you'd like to schedule a private showing or receive more information, contact me directly. My information will be in the description below. Again, my name is Luciana Rivera with Avenue Home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification for more of Tampa Bay property tours and local stories. And don't forget, I can help you in English, Portuguese, and Spanish. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.